Ultrahuman has announced M2 Live, its second-generation continuous glucose monitoring device for the US with a cheaper price. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech updates. Ultrahuman M2 Live is set to be far cheaper and easier to get, opening up the system to far more people, especially as using one is becoming much more common among non-diabetics. While it's Ultrahuman selling you the product, you're actually just buying access to one of Abbott's medical-grade CGMs. M1 Live used Abbott's Freestyle Libre, which is only available in the US with a prescription and more expensive than other territories. Meanwhile, M2 Live harnesses Abbott's over-the-counter Lingo monitor, which syncs with the Ultrahuman app to mesh its data with whatever your ring is picking up. Just like its rivals, Ultrahuman's pitch is that your glucose data is a useful tool that can and should be combined with your activity stats. After all, how much sleep you get, stress you endure, and exercise you do each day will inform how your body handles glucose. The insights from all of this will be assessed by Ultrahuman's AI Jade to offer up a metabolic score, giving you guidance on what you're doing and where you can improve. Ultrahuman M2 Live will be available in the US in the coming weeks with a single sensor which you can use for 14 days. It'll be priced at $129 and a monthly subscription's priced at $99 per month. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.